if you want to take the screenshot, now there you have three options: small screenshot, normal screenshot, and you can take the long screenshot. I will explain you how. My name is Chandan. Welcome to the tutorials. If you are new to our channel, I request you to please subscribe our channel and please like and share our video. So let's start our video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. Say for example you are reading the Times of India newspaper on mobile phone. Okay. Now if you are reading an article here and I want a screenshot of the only red area. So just put the three fingers on the screen, hold it there, and you see arrowed area is shown. Now slide it down, adjust it how much screenshot you need, and at the right corner you can see the save button. Click on that. So this is a small screenshot. Normal screenshot is just put the three fingers and slide it down. You see this is the normal screenshot. And here if you want to take the long screenshot, click on the long screenshot button besides the delete button, and now slide it up and choose the area how much you can, and now you see this is the bigger screenshot. You can use it later for the reading purpose. So this is a long screenshot. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.